Hi class, let's review the instructions for paper 2. So in the module, you can make your own copy of this document, and just a reminder that we highly encourage you and create assignments to walk you through the very important process of writing. First, it's important to understand the topic, and then you do some pre-writing where you get to brainstorm your ideas for the paper. And then you want to collect evidence. For us, that is quotes and examples from your class sources. You organize all of this in your first draft, and then we go through the revising process, and that's when you create your final draft that you turn in for a grade. So let's review the topic and evidence parts of this paper. So the topic of this paper is myths and facts. So the topic of this paper is immigration myths. In class, we have been exploring myths about immigration and the facts that prove these myths are wrong. These myths influence how people think about, perceive immigrants, which impacts government and communities. So you will be developing these ideas as you answer the questions outlined in the directions below. So in my next video, I will review what you should be writing about in each paragraph, and it is very important to follow those directions to get full points. All right, let's go to evidence. You must use the book in one of your paragraphs, the distance between us. You must also use at least 2 other class sources, okay? You are welcome to use more, absolutely use more, but you have to at least have the distance between us be plus 2 of these other pieces of class sources. Notice I put what these sources are. So this is our book. If it's an article, I called it an article. Our video from earlier in the semester, we have a couple of TED Talks here. So when you write about these class sources, this is what you should be calling them: a book, an article, a video, a TED Talk. And notice that how these are written. This is how you should write these titles in your paper. Okay, that's important to write these titles correctly, and you can refer to this to make sure you are writing the titles correctly. All right, in my next video, I will be reviewing how you are going to organize and write this paper in each paragraph.